your family. I'll open a bottle up, pour a little bit out in your memory. I'll be at the wake, dressed in all black. I'll call out your name, but you won't call back. I'll hand a flower to your mother when I say goodbye. 'Cause baby, you're dead to me. I'll mourn you when you go. Baby, you're dead to me. I'll mourn you when you go. I need to say sorry. That's the only thing you say when you lose someone. I used to say I'm sorry for all of the stupid shit